Hey guys, today we're playing Bendy and the Ink Machine. Now, chapter 3, sorry I didn't finish that, but and chapter 4 just came out, so I'll probably make a video on chapter 4, but not chapter 3, because I'm just scared. So let's play chapter 1, guys, because in chapter 1, they actually probably have a new achievement, because they have darts there. So we're actually going to get the bullseye achievement by playing that minigame, okay guys? So we're going to play that minigame. So when I do get chapter 4, we'll actually play the game, okay? Okay guys? And Bendy chapter 4, it is, I've seen some gameplay and it's the best chapter so far. Which is actually really good. I'm not sure, but you see, the graphics are better. Guys, the graphics are better. I already got all the bacon soup off camera, so yeah. So I think chapter 4 is the best chapter so far. Because I actually seen the ending, but I won't say it for you guys if you just want to watch me play the game. But the ending is the best. But I won't tell you. So yeah. Hold back in your seats. And do you see? This is new. Remember the first time I played, guys? This has never happened where you have to put the things in. This never happened, guys. So just wait for the new objective to. Yeah, so turn on the ink machine. Which is we already. Remember we did this. But that new part is actually new. And when I played this whole chapter off camera with the new update and stuff, the bendy jump scare, it scared me to death more than ever. Guys, it scared me more to death. So we just need to go. Sorry, it says that. I know it's a disgrace, so don't judge me. I know it's a disgrace. So yeah. So we're chapter 3 because I got scared because Bendy was roaming around the place. Yeah, and that would cause me to get a little bit scared when they said beware the ink demon and he roams around. But anyway, here we go. This is where we get the achievement. We hit bullseye. All 3 bullseyes. Let's try it again. We have the all 3 bullseye. Take strong area, guys. Wait, that's the section we need to aim at. Right up here. There's a little bug right now. So close. The first shot made, but the last shot didn't do it as well. You get the achievement now? I'm not sure if we have to get it all on there. See, is this the achievement? Guys, this is probably it. It triggered. So let's try it again. I don't know how we're gonna place these, because did we get it? Guys, I think. Let's just see if we got it real quick. Nope, we still got. I still have that. That's probably it, guys. If you don't believe me. Alright, this is getting too long, guys. So I might have to end it here, guys. So like, subscribe. I'll figure out how to do another video. So like, if they don't patch this, because like it's not working for me, but that's probably a new achievement. Okay, guys. Bye. See you in the next video.